Wow, look at this speed. Guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get free Windows or Linux server or whatever you want. Just open your browser here and open this address, which I'm right here. Okay, when you open this website, it shows you two options, Windows or Debian, which is Linux. We just want Windows. Just click on it and verify that you're not a robot. Okay, fire. Next, crosswalks, verify. So it says disconnected, just click one more time, it's okay. Motorcycles, I don't know if it's okay or not. Just crosswalks, cross. Verify. Disconnected. Just refresh the page and try one more time. I'm not a robot. Bridges. Bridge. It should be one more or two more. Okay. Verify. Okay. We are connected to the server. Just as you can see, we have 95 milliseconds of ping, and we have a limit of 15 minutes per session. When it's just actually when your time just ended, feel free to open a new one. Nothing happens. You just have to repeat all the things you did. So go to your browser and search for actually speedtest.net. Open it and until it gets actually the speed we want to. So as you can see, the speed is actually good for free server actually. And that's all. So it was the first method, but we have a second method too. Let's just get sure how's the speed. Okay, 177 and 24 megabytes. I think it's actually a problem. It would get better if you try one more time. So just let's check another thing. Open youtube.com/@Arya Hussainzadeh. Before, okay, you have to accept cookies everywhere. Accept all. If this method worked for you, just click on the subscribe button as it shows here. Sorry, my internet speed is too low. It's not because of the server. Okay, click on subscribe here and see on my other videos, which is stop paying for Midjourney and Midjourney versus Flux or so on, and stop paying for Adobe Stock. So let's get to the next method. So the next method is run on Google Colab. So when your time just ended or you want to go out, just click on delete the session and the new session will actually open up for you. So open this address which I write here for you. So when it loads up, you just have to click on user and root is okay. Just click on this. I did before. Go here and click on this link, which opens up this tab. Click on begin. Next, authorize. Here, click on click the Debian Linux copy button and paste it here. Our password is 123456. You can change it, it's okay, and just click on run one more time and continue anyway, run anyway. So our RDP is actually generated. So click on refresh button. Here you can see that this is our code and says it's online. So when it comes connecting, enter the pin, which default is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Click on go. Connecting. So this is our Linux remote desktop, and click on right click and click on applications and click on internet, which is Google Chrome. Open it. And it shows up. Don't sign in, just accept all things. Right, speedtest.net. Full space and click on go. It's from Google Plus platform. Here's the ping, 33 milliseconds. It's okay for the first time, and we're just gonna do it again. It will be okay. As you can see, the upload is actually 400 megabits per second. So let's check it one more time. Wow, look at this speed. Wow, look at the upload. It actually depends on time which you're working with. For example, in midnight, it should be more and higher. So thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Make sure you actually like and subscribe my channel, which is youtube.com/@Arya Hossein Zada. You can see the subscribe button here and here, which is in the video. So please like and subscribe. It helps me make better videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.